I'm Scott Dillon at MarineMax of Dallas, and we're going to take a look at a Harris 220 Cruiser. This boat comes equipped with wraparound seating in the bow, aerated live well underneath your front passenger seat, storage built into the backrest of all the chase lounges, in-floor ski locker with bilge pump, L-shaped stern seating, safety railing along the back of the boat, 4-step telescoping ladder, Mercury fuel-injected 4-stroke 150 horsepower outboard engine, ski tow bar. So sitting at the dash of this boat, you'll notice it does have a very nice Simrad Go 5 unit in it. This is going to give you your GPS, your chart plotting, your navigational aids, as well as fish finder, downscan, sonar, and and all of that stuff. Fusion stereo. This unit's a really nice unit. It does have good speakers, puts out a lot of sound for you. It's also Bluetooth compatible, or you can run your music right through a USB port if you just want to plug in your phone. Down here, Mercury active trim. This is automatic trim controls for your 150 horsepower outboard engine, so no more worrying about your trim here on your throttle. It's all done automatically for you. So moving up to the front of the boat, there is a nice large built-in aerated live well underneath the front seat. This live well is also pretty well insulated, so if you want to use it as a cooler, it works very well for a cooler as well. And of course, looking towards the back of the boat, you'll notice the boat does have lighted cup holders. There are also rope accent lighting underneath all of your seats. The chase lounges do have built-in storage into all of the backrests. There's a nice in-floor storage for you. It's nice and deep. There is a false bottom in it, so any water that goes in there is going to run down through the bottom. Bilge pump will automatically pump it out for you. L-shaped seating back here in the back with this really nice flip-flop lounger on the back. So if you're pulling the kids on the tubes or skis or anything like that, you can flip this towards the back and you've got a great spotter seat here. It is legal to ride back here because the boat does have this safety fencing all along the back. We order all of ours with an extended deck, so this deck has about an extra 1.5 feet back here. Plenty of platform if you're helping get the kids water skis on, get them on and off of the tubes. Makes it a lot easier because you got more room back here. Ski tow bar on all of our boats as well as a very nice 12-foot long bimini top. So this bimini is going to be nice and tall. It'll extend from back here all the way to in front of the helm and provide you a lot of shade. To give you an idea of the height of this bimini top, I'm 6'2", so plenty of room for a tall guy to walk underneath the boat and not have to duck. So hope you've enjoyed the brief walkthrough of the boat. If you have any questions on this or any of the other boats we have, please pick up the phone and give us a call. If not, the best way to see them is to stop in the showroom. We look forward to talking to you soon.